The City of Winter Park's website lists excessive outlets on a single circuit as a common electrical code violation, seemingly for homeowners. The site suggests a limit of 6 duplex receptacles, 10 lights, or a combination of 5 receptacles and 3 lights on one circuit for safety. However, the National Electrical Code, or NEC, doesn't actually specify a maximum number of outlets or lights permitted on a circuit. The NEC focuses on load, specifically stating that a branch circuit should not supply a continuous load exceeding 80% of the branch circuit's amperage rating. The information presented on the City of Winter Park's website likely stems from a local ordinance, or a specific interpretation of the NEC potentially influenced by past experiences with overloaded circuits in the area. It's possible Winter Park has implemented stricter limits to mitigate the risk of electrical fires. Ultimately, determining the number of outlets and lights on a circuit is the homeowner's responsibility, but understanding the risks of overloading a circuit is crucial for safety. You need to ensure that the total load does not exceed 80% of the circuit breaker rating. For example, on a 15 amp circuit, the maximum continuous load should not exceed 12 amps. On a 20 amp circuit, the maximum continuous load is 16 amps. To calculate the load, you must know the wattage of the device is being plugged into the outlets or the wattage of the lights. You can determine the current draw by dividing the wattage by the voltage. The voltage for most residential circuits is 120 volts. For example, a 100-watt light bulb draws approximately 0.83 amps on a 120-volt circuit. A 1500-watt hairdryer draws 12.5 amps on a 120-volt circuit. It is important to note that some appliances draw more current when they first start up. This is known as inrush current. Inrush current can briefly exceed the circuit breaker's rating, causing it to trip. When planning a circuit, consider not just the rated wattage of the devices, but also their potential inrush current. Consult the appliance manufacturer's specifications for specific inrush current details. If you frequently experience tripped circuit breakers, it may be necessary to reduce the number of devices on the circuit or consider installing a dedicated circuit for high-demand appliances.